Can you day trade on SoFi? Day trading on SoFi is a topic of interest for many beginner and casual investors due to the platform's simplicity and cost-effectiveness. SoFi Invest offers a commission-free trading environment, making it appealing for those who aim to minimize costs. However, its platform has significant limitations for active traders, especially those looking to engage in frequent day trading. SoFi Invest supports trading in U.S. stocks, ETFs, mutual funds, options, and fractional shares, but its tools and features cater primarily to beginners and long-term investors rather than active day traders. The platform provides market, limit, and stop limit order types, which are sufficient for basic trading needs. However, advanced functionalities such as trailing stop orders, conditional orders, and real-time streaming data are unavailable. This lack of sophisticated trading tools makes it challenging for day traders to execute strategies requiring precision or speed. A major downside for day traders is the lack of intraday charting capabilities. SoFi only offers daily intervals for its charts, which hinders the ability to analyze short-term price movements effectively. The quotes provided on SoFi are real-time but not streaming, meaning users must refresh their app or browser to get updated prices. These constraints significantly reduce the platform's utility for traders who need dynamic data to make quick decisions. SoFi also does not offer support for short selling or leverage for stock trades, except through its margin accounts, which require a minimum balance of $2,000 and incur an annual interest rate of 11% on borrowed funds. This further limits the ability of day traders to execute more complex strategies or maximize capital efficiency. On the positive side, SoFi's commission-free structure, low account minimums, and user-friendly mobile app are attractive features for those just starting to explore trading. The app's integration with other SoFi financial services, such as loans and credit cards, offers a seamless experience for users who want to manage multiple financial needs in one place. Additionally, SoFi provides access to fractional share trading, which can be advantageous for small-scale investors who want to diversify with limited capital. For day traders, the lack of advanced tools and charting options, combined with the absence of streaming quotes, makes SoFi an impractical choice for active trading. Instead, SoFi Invest is better suited for casual investors who focus on long-term strategies and low-frequency trading. For those seriously considering day trading, platforms such as TD Ameritrade's Thinkorswim or Interactive Brokers may be more appropriate, as they offer robust analytical tools, extensive order types, and better data integration for active trading strategies. In conclusion, while SoFi Invest is a cost-effective and accessible platform for beginner investors, its features are not tailored for the demands of day trading. The platform's simplicity is both its strength and limitation, making it ideal for long-term investors, but less viable for those requiring the advanced functionality needed for successful day trading.